I'd heard from one friend at USC that Mark Cuban actually responds to cold emails. As the very first email I ever wrote with my Relativity Space email address, wrote Mark Cuban a cold email. Actually guessed his email, so I'd put 20 different permutations of mark.cuban@gmail.com, mcuban, mark@hotmail.com. And then I had the message subject line of "Space is sexy, 3D printing an entire rocket." And then I laid out, from Plano, worked at Blue Origin, Jordan worked at SpaceX, here's what our experience is. And then 5 minutes later, he said, well, what do you want from me? We're raising $500,000 for our seed round. I was making numbers up. I didn't really know at the time what we were doing because we were so new to it. I said, well, hey, do you want to put in $100,000? We're raising $500,000. And then he replied back, probably 30 seconds later and said, you know what, I'll actually do the entire thing. I'll give you the full $500,000. And so just like that, kind of a few minutes after cold emailing Mark Cuban, we had a $500,000 commitment.